Today I'll be making yet another recipe which is shrimp with jackfruit and katla fish head with dal. So we'll be cooking everything on the Induction cooktop and we'll be saving the LPG's gas and we'll be making this wonderful recipe. Before that, please like and comment. I've cut the jackfruit into dices, which is raw jackfruit, and we'll be cutting the potato also. I'm transferring all the thing in the induction cooktop cookware, and in this I'll be putting some water as well and put salt and turmeric and put it on the top of induction cooktop to save the LPG, as Modi ji has said to be more serious, and this is more bad than coronavirus period. So this is wartime. I'll be cooking this jackfruit on the induction cooktop. So it will take 10 to 15 minutes of time to make it soft. Once done, we'll strain it in a colander. So the straining procedure is completed. Now I have gutted the shrimp and the shrimp head separately, and I have taken ginger, onion, tomato, and green chili. We'll be slicing or cutting the onions into fine julienne, and we'll deseed the tomato and cut the tomato into roughly julienne, and we'll crush the ginger and make it into fine paste in the stone grinder, and we'll grind the green and red chilies to a fine paste on the stone, and we'll grind the fish head and the shell to a fine paste on the stone grinder, and we'll strain it with the help of hand. You can again use the strainer to strain these juices. I've taken a kadai, put the shrimp which has been marinated with salt and turmeric. When done, we'll remove it in a separate container. I've added mustard oil, put cumin seeds, red chili whole, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, and bay leaf, and stir it. Then put the onion and Cook it till it's become golden in color. Now, in this stage, I'll add tomato and put little salt so that water comes out. With the salt, I'll put other basic masala like ginger paste, green chili paste, coriander powder, cumin powder, spicy red chili powder, turmeric powder, and stir it and put the boiled jackfruit which is raw with the potato as well. So you have to cook this procedure for 5 to 10 minutes till it becomes really fried, and in between I'll put the shrimp juice which has been grinded to a fine paste in the hand so that all the shell can be removed, and I'll put the lid on. This procedure is 10 to 15 minutes, and this will become more soft. It is already boiled jackfruit, so this has to be stirred and again put it put the lid. I removed the lid again, and we will continue cooking this See, this has become too much dry. I've added this fried shrimp now and cook it along with the jackfruit. Now I'll add water so that it is not very thin, but it should be semi gravy kind of dish. So we'll cook along with the masala for another 5 to 7 minutes. You can see how beautiful it is looking. We'll give some more time so that it becomes very soft internally and all the masala goes into the gravy. I'm putting little seasoning with little sugar. I'll add garam masala so that the spiciness hits at the back of the tongue and give you more of flavor. And add some A2 ghee, which is very healthy for Fit India movement. So this will give you the taste of a non-vegetarian kind of taste, and this is completely fish-based dish. That is prawn, and it will give lot of flavor. This is finished. Now I'll be cooking moong dal with fish head, and I've taken the kadai. We'll fry the fish head, which has been marinated with salt and turmeric. Once done, we'll remove it. And the dal has been boiled. I'll put that tempering in the oil, red chili whole, soft, cumin seeds, bay leaf, stir it for a while, then put little of red red chili paste and the lentil, boiled lentil. This is for the lunch. It goes along with the rice and the fish head also is added. You have to cook it so that all the goodness of from the fish comes to the dal. You'll add the roasted cumin seed powder, and this is also finished. Now the plate presentation. I've taken two brass katoris in a brass thali, nicely garnished, and we'll be serving it for the lunch. See you in the next episode. Bye bye for now. This is Jayasree Kadai Katha English channel. You can see how beautiful it looks. You should try it and come back and tell me how you like this recipe.